After that, I have.
This is the dress rehearsal free for semi-final one.
How great is it to be here? Look at this stage, look at you. Hey, this is the family show, so we have a lot of kids here. You're not a kid, you look like a kid.
But you said feel.
Okay, you feel like a kid with health issues. There's gonna be no negativity. I do not accept negativity. And I want you to give her all you've got. She performed in 1991 as Sandra Simon, which is when none of you were born, but she is amazing.
Lift the roof when you see them coming on stage. Can we hear that? Five, four, three, two, one. Here we go.
Eurovision Song Contest. Welcome home to Switzerland. This is the Eurovision Song Contest 2025.
Hello and welcome to this year's Eurovision Song Contest live from Basel. And let the Eurovision Song Contest begin! today's grand final because
È un gioco da ragazzi, veloce la mamma e lì cadevo giù dagli alberi.
Prop element is 200 kilos and the maximum height 220 centimeters. Now check out how these don't know where to stop. You let me fly, never feel so high.
As citizens of a direct democracy, us Swiss are a little obsessed with voting. We do it every few months and thank God we're hosting Eurovision this year. And now, let's take a quick look at the 15 songs of tonight.
Were part of last year's song contest.
But first, it's time for a personal message by the woman who wrote. We have a valid final result. That means we are good to go!
sky.